And welcome back to another edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. As we approach the middle of June, we are getting inventory in, getting inventory out, so always be checking our website to see what we have in stock at that moment. The weather has been super nice, so as I always say, don't be afraid to come out and see us. We're more than happy to help you. This week I have 4 new cars, and then I also have a car from my new car manager, which has never been titled before. It's also certified pre-owned, so you're going to have a massive warranty on there. Without further ado, let's get into the cars. First up is the never before owned 2023 Volkswagen Atlas SE with tech. Only 11,000 miles on this car. It's got black interior, all-wheel drive with a V6 engine. Third row, so you can seat 7 in this beautiful car. You've got heated and powered seats, parking camera and blind spot monitors, the CPO warranty. So you'll probably have roughly 5 years and 60,000 miles. It's never before been titled, retailing for $38,900. Up next is a spectacular 2021 Honda Passport Elite SUV. 38,000 miles on this car. It's got a gray interior. Once again, another all-wheel drive car with the V6 engine. You've got navigation, power, and heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, a power moonroof. This car does have clean Carfax and only one owner, retailing for $32,770. Up next, we have a 2023 Chevrolet Suburban LT. 30,600 miles on this car. It's got a dark interior, 4x4 drivetrain with a more powerful V8 engine. You've got navigation, premium audio, power seating, heated seats. You've got a third row in there, so once again, all the big families, this car will be perfect for you. It's got sensors, a backup camera, clean Carfax, and one owner, retailing for $58,640.
Let's go!
And now we have a beautiful red 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT pickup. It's got 51,000 miles. It's got a black interior, another 4x4 drivetrain. As you can see there, as he comes across us, you do have the crew cab, so you can fit, plenty of people in there for anything you need this truck for. You've got a V8 engine in here once again. It's got premium audio, heated mirrors. You've got blind spot. It also has one owner and a clean Carfax, retailing for $28,235. And to finish us off here, we have everybody's favorite car here at Volkswagen. This one is a 2017 Volkswagen Beetle. We just took this in yesterday. It's got 13,000 miles on there. Very, very lightly used. It's got a black interior. The interior is also leather. You've got heated seats and mirrors. You have a backup camera that does that cool trick where the logo there on the back will open up for the camera. You've got keyless entry, a clean Carfax, and a great model there in the car, as we see, retailing for $22,925.
Come get you a Beetle, baby.
Thank you all for watching this edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. As always, we appreciate the support, the likes, the shares. Share it with anybody you know interested in a car, friends, family, co-worker, really anybody at all. Like I said, come see us here. We're very friendly. We're more than happy to help you guys, get you more info, and get you driving the cars. Without further ado, stay tuned for next week's episode.